Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about what are the things you need to know about 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is going to be part 3 of this tutorial. If you have been following the tutorial step by step, you find out that this is where we stop in the previous tutorial, which is the part 2. So what we want to do here is to see how we can actually find out the direct factory verified manufacturer from the home page in 1688. So for us to do that, what we need to do is to click on here to go back to the home page of 1688. So when you go back to the home page on 1688, it is very easy for you to locate direct factory. For you to do that, simply click on this tab right here. And when you click on that, it takes you right here. In some of the previous tutorial, I have always emphasized that each time you are looking for direct factory, make sure you follow this icon in whatever search you do. Like this one here also, they have the icon. So the more you scroll down, the more you see them right there. And these are grade 1 direct factory that can sell products at a very wholesale and cheap price. They can also customize what you need. So the more you scroll down, the more you see them right here. They have different category of products manufacturer under this particular sections right here. Okay, now another way to get these people is click on this icon right here. When you click on this icon, it's going to load up and show you all the factory section that has been fully verified and trusted on 1688 with their icon as badge as this. So everyone you see in this section are direct factory. You can see them right here. You can see them right here. Everyone here are direct factory. You can be trusted. You can believe in them. You can purchase as larger quantity as possible at the very wholesale price. Okay. The more you scroll down, the more you see them right here. Now you can also source for them by category. Take a look at the top right here. There are much more category right here. Now what we want to do here is to simply make a translate of some sections right here, and then we are good to go. So I'm going to start from the section, the home page sections right there. This is the home page section of every direct factory in China. So I'm going to simply make a screenshot for our easy translation of the 1688 Chinese shopping app. So after making a screenshot, I will simply go back to my translate right here. So we have the translate here. Then I'm going to select my screenshot. Now here we have by category of shoes. If you need shoes from the direct factory in China, you have to click on that. Then we have another one right here, which is digital computer section, then luggage leather section. So let's go back and check on the shoe section. So the shoe section is something like this one right here. Click on it, then it's going to refine and show you all the shoes manufacturer. Okay, this is not shoes. I think this one is shoe section. Okay, so these are shoe section of manufacturers right here. The more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up right here. You can simply contact them based on whatever you want. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in getting this type of shoes right here from this factory. Simply click on the factory link. Then it's going to take you to their main store right here. You can swipe and check on more information, more photos or video that has been uploaded by the factory right here. You can swipe and check on more. Then, just like so, you can see they have just one photo right here. You can scroll down right here and see their product collection. Take a look at this product collection by this factory, and this is factory details right here. Everything about them is here. Now we can simply take a screenshot and translate it. I'm going to simply take a screenshot just to translate. Then I will go back to my translating sections right here. We are still using the Chrome. I'm going to click on upload, then allow it to translate. Now we have it right there. You can see, as the name implies, this is factory badge, then custom contact trading, then 97% service response rate, a quick reply to whatever inquiry you have, on-time fulfillment rate 100%, corporate integrity. Then you can check on more detail right here. So you can see corporate integrity. You will need to click on that, then you see more. And this is buyer's review. What people have to say in the past about their product in the fast. So here, this shoe is really good. The quality is good and delivery is super fast. Brenet. So you can see it right here. Now, this is one of the best way to make a findings about a particular stock of 1688. So about a particular factory of 1688. Now let's take a look at their corporate integrity right here. So what we want to do is to simply go back to 1688, and for us to check on the corporate integrity, we have to click on this particular icon right here. Then it will show us all the information about the factory. Now you have everything right here, and it was written in Chinese. What you can do is to still make a screenshot and translate every page right here and read detail about them. Then I'll simply upload the screenshot right here and check it out. So this is everything right here. Register capital, 500,000 RMB, legal representative. This is their company lawyer. Okay, then this is the email. This is their call line, and this is the company address and the rights and the rest. And then this is when the company was established and got registered on 1688. This is the establishment on 1688 is eventually 2024. The company might be in existence for a very long time. So that is that. Then right here you can read detail, business information and business overview. So this is it. If you want to read more, simply click on view more right here and read detail about them. And related party identification, equity penetration charts, you can reset. You can check more detail about the brand right here, just like what you see right there. Then click on find more companies. So as simple as that. So this is for their integrity and their background of the factory. Let's simply go back to the home page right here. So you can scroll down and check on more details. So this is one of the rating in the home page right here. Okay. Now, if you want to check on more rating by different previous buyers, simply click on here and it's going to load as many as possible previous buyer rating about the store or the factory in question. So let's check them out. So you have all the ratings right here. You can imagine a factory that has about 500 plus rating, all in 5-star right here. Okay. Now, one more thing you need to take into consideration when you are checking rating of a factory or store, you need to make sure that you check on their username, because some of the store here, they can go ahead and purchase a fake rating from different individuals in China or outside China. But how do you figure if a rating is fake? One of them is that some of the username here would come in the same way. So you see, sometimes somebody like 10 times a person can give a rating of a particular product and still giving the same 5-star rating and the same information about their satisfaction about the product. That is one of the way to identify a fake rating. Another thing to identify a fake rating is that check on the date. If you take a look at the dates of the rating and they are equally the same, it is a fake rating. But if you take a look at these ratings right there, this is May 2025, this is March 2025, this is another May 2025. So the dates are not the same. The username are not the same. That is to tell you that these ratings here are genuine. So you can have a kind of belief about what this previous buyer have to say. Their username is not the same. The rating time, the rating date is not the same. Those are the things you need to take into consideration before you can believe in whatever rating. Take a look at this rating right here. This one here is not even in Chinese. It rates them in Russia. And that is to tell you that people also export this particular product from out of China. And another thing to take into consideration is that check on the quantity at which each of the people that purchase in the past buy from a particular store. Some of them can buy in large quantity, while some of them can buy in one pieces. Like this one here, one pieces. This one here, one pieces, and the like. So you can check them out one after the other. Above all, you can translate all this page here for a better understanding. I'm going to make a screenshot. If I make a screenshot, I will go back to our translate sections right here, and I'm going to upload Then everything has been fully translated, just like what you see right there is my previous explanation. So this one here bought one pieces right here, and the size is indicated to be 38, and the time, the date they keep rating is put in that here. Then here you have different options right here. The number of people that upload picture with the rating is 40 plus. The price is very cheap, style, everything right there. And the positive rating here is overall is 87.8%, which is to tell you that the store is very good and legit. You can eventually purchase from the factory. Let's go back to the home. So you can apply this method to any factory that you come across on 1688. Let's say, for instance, you want to contact the factory right here. You can see their products right there. The more you scroll down, the more you see right there. Just like so. Now, these are another factory recommendation right there. Okay. But if you want to make a contact with the factory that you are checking on their details, so everything about this particular factory ends here. Ends here. Let me just mark. This is where everything about the factory ends. So anything from here, they are another factory recommended by 1688. Now, let's say, for instance, you have verified, you have fully certified. You can see their products, production sections right here. You can see. So this is their factory video. Okay, and this is more picture about the factory. So just like so. Now, if you want to contact them, it is a very simple way to contact the manufacturer right here. So make a screenshot again, and I will simply show you where you need to click if you want to contact the manufacturer direct. So having made a screenshot, I will simply go back to our translations right here. I'm going to select it. Now, for you to contact them, what you need to do is to come down below right here, click on Ask Online right here. Or better still, call up. You can call them online. So if you click on Ask Online, it means that you want to chat them for. So for you to click on Ask Online, simply click on here. That is for Ask Online. And it's going to open up a chat box right here, whereby you can easily contact the factory direct in China. So once it open up this chat right here, click on here and start communicate with the factory. As at the time of making this video, they are available online right here. So now what we want to do now is to see how we can simply chat them up. So we're going to exit from here now, and then for you to chat up the Chinese supplier, whether factory or is small scale factory or what have you, make sure you download and install Google Translate on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. After you have successfully download and install Google Translate, click on it to run the setup, and it's going to load up and take you to the interface right there. First thing for, make sure you change this to whatever language you understand that you can speak very well. So if you click on here now, you're going to see so many languages, but in this tutorial, I'm putting it in English language, then translate into this particular Chinese tradition. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to come to the enter text right there. I will type in hello, and I have a chat with any customer service right here. Okay, so then what you need to do here is to simply copy the Chinese character. Click on here to copy the Chinese character, then go ahead and come back to 1688, then click on paste and send the chat. Now if they are available, this is just an auto response right here. Okay, so if you translate, you will understand it. You can see they are available, just like so. Now here you can start a conversation with the factory, tell them what you want, whether customized, price discount, or what have you. Discuss everything extensively with the factory right here. If you have a sample to send to them, send them the product sample, picture or video or what have you. It's that simple. So this is here we are going to So this is where we're going to stop in part three of everything you need to know about 168 Chinese shopping app. I hope to see you in the next part. Thanks for watching.